Assalamualaikum and good evening to Dr. Iza. Today we are going to present about our selected tools, which is LiDAR. Before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Nur Shafira Natasha, matrix number 204151.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Suzana binti Mosa and my metric number is 201912.
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnira and my metric number is 201879.
My name is Muhammad Ifan bin Sohini. My metric number is 201909.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afika binti Muhammad Azam and my metric number is 201910.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Arisha Fitri bin Salahuddin and my metric number is 201880.
Introduction. LiDAR, or also known as light detection and ranging, is a remote sensing method that uses light in the form of pulsed laser to measure range in variable distances to the Earth. It was first used in 1960s but started to get well known 20 years after.
Moving on to next point, which is uses of LiDAR. The first one is to create 3D map of a particular area or land with accurate measurements, which is much more better than other maps that only shows 2D graphics only. So for the second one is to identify the depth, width and flow of the water in a river. So it does not focus on trees only, it do focus on rivers and some other vegetations. For the third one, to detect small changes in topography that is hidden by vegetation. Topography means the land surface. For example, if there is an up and down, it will detect even though it is hidden by a big tree. That's all for me.
Then I will explain about how LiDAR work in the surveying. So firstly, light energy are also called as the pulse emitted from the rapidly firing laser. Then this pulse will travel to the Earth's surface and reflect off things like building or tree branch or other object on the Earth's surface. Then this reflected light, also called as the return light, returns to the LiDAR sensor, and this LiDAR sensor record all the data. Okay, the reflected light that been taken from the LiDAR sensor is used to measure the distance travel. As you can see the picture below, the red arrow is called as the pulse and the blue arrow is called as the return. So let's move on to the next point.
Next, let's go through to the advantage of using LiDAR. The first advantage is the resolution and accuracy of LiDAR. LiDAR can take measurement instantly and in large amount of data at a time. It's accurate to a centimeter measurement. The second advantage is 3D mapping. The collected data can be easily converted into 3D map to interpret the environment. And the third one is low light performance. The light of the LiDAR is unaffected by the ambient light variation, so it can perform well in any low light condition. That's all. Thank you.
The disadvantage of the LiDAR is it is ineffective during rain or low-hanging clouds. LiDAR pulses may be affected by heavy rains or low-hanging clouds because of the effect of refraction due to the LiDAR use light to measure the distance and the to survey the forest. Next point is low operating altitude. LiDAR cannot work on altitude higher than 2,000 meters. It's only effective between 500 to 2,000 meters. The pulses will not be affected at this height. The third cons is it is unreliable for water depth and turbulent breaking waves. When record at the water surface, if there are a wave, the measurement would be inaccurate. Next.
Okay, for the conclusion, LiDAR can be used to calculate the accurate geospatial measurements. Besides that, it also can be used to map structure, including vegetation, height, density, and other characteristics across a region. LiDAR directly measures the height and density of vegetation on the ground, making it an ideal tool for scientists and foresters in studying vegetation over large areas. So, this is our reference, and that's all from us. Thank you.